Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders to be the leader of their own career. So if you're stuck in your career, if you don't really feel like a leader, if you don't really feel like it's enough, send me a message. I have a solution. So today I want to talk about our relationships and specifically grudges. Now, boundaries are really important. So you hold something against somebody, it's kind of the grudge, because you know this person isn't good for you. Makes sense. You hold that grudge, you hold it against somebody because it's going to improve your life. Now, if it's not going to improve your life, so someone did something to you that you didn't find acceptable, and you still want that person to be in your life for some reason, does it make sense to hold a grudge? Even if the person doesn't feel like they need to apologize for it. Now, if you made yourself clear on what's acceptable and what's not acceptable, and you're able to have that conversation with the person, and the relationship's important to you, what is the purpose of holding that grudge? And too often, I see in the workplace, employees and managers holding grudges against each other because they did something at one point that they didn't feel was appropriate. Maybe they said something, gave a certain piece of feedback, they didn't get something they wanted, maybe someone missed an assignment. But if you want that person in your life, you want to be part of this organization, you want a good relationship with your leader, does it make sense to hold that grudge? Does it make sense to be angry and frustrated? And to actually feel like you want to have a better relationship with the person? What is the purpose of the grudge now? Does it make sense? So take a moment, go reflect on the grudges that you're holding. Ask yourself if they make sense. Ask yourself if you should continue them. If not, what can you do to refresh the relationship? So thank you everyone for listening. If you take one thing away from this, send me a message. I read and respond to everything. And most importantly, keep on living for yourself.